Such from thirst. From the throne of God I ask, let me be the first. Lord, we need you more than we'll ever understand. Lord, we ask you now, if it be your plan, make it rain, rain, pouring from above. Let it come the showers of your love in this dry and thirsty land where the people are dying. Let their souls cry out. Please, Lord, hear their cry. Make it rain. Oh, make it rain. Oh, make it rain. Oh, make it rain. Though the heart is dry, we come straight to the source, and it's you, my Lord. We trust in you, of course. Let your holy water fall from heaven to us all. Let your love pour out. Help us not to fall. Make it rain, 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 pouring from above. Let it come showers of your love in this dry and thirsty land where the people are dying. Let their souls cry out. Please, Lord, hear their crying. Make it rain.